Hello and welcome to Cooking the Books with Heather. Today we are making a cure recipe out of the Poole's Diner cookbook so that we can make another recipe tomorrow. So this is just a salt and sugar mixture that we're going to put on meat, let it rest, sort of cure it, and before we cook it. So first off, we have salt. It's a lot of salt. This is going to be way more than we need for our recipe, but we've already gone ahead and halved it, so not too much. We have regular white sugar, and I've gone ahead and zested some orange. Try to get all that in there. And before I have to deal with other ingredients, I've got a little bit of chili flakes that go in here. It's not a lot, so it shouldn't be very spicy. And then we have garlic, we have a fresh bay leaf, and we have some thyme. Now, I'm probably not going to measure my thyme. We need quite a bit of it, and this is what I have, so this is what's going to go in. But I just need to slice this up before we put it in here, just so it all gets incorporated. So I'm going to slice up the garlic and the bay leaf, and then pick the thyme, and we'll be right back to whir it up. Okay. Now, in case my editor cuts this out, I was not too picky about this. I left a few of the small stems because it's going in the food processor anyway. So, but I picked off the leaves of the thyme, and now we're supposed to just pulse it until it is fragrant. I'm just going to try to get most of the stuff mixed up, and you know, the garlic pieces and the bay leaf pieces not super big. You know, that's my plan. See how it goes. I'm gonna call that good. It seems like there's no big pieces of anything in here. And this is the cure. We'll show you what we do with it in our next video, probably. She does say that this will keep in the refrigerator for about a month in a closed container, because there are some fresh ingredients in here. The salt and the sugar will help keep those from molding or doing anything like that, but they are fresh and they'll dry out and whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in a bag or a container and put it in the refrigerator and use it next time. If you enjoyed this episode, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video and show you what we do with this.